Hi, my name's Tom and I'm part of the marketing team here at EKM. Now in this video I'm going to go over everything that got released on EKM during December. So if you're an EKM customer, stick around and watch the full video to make sure you keep up to date. Okay, so before we get into the main part of the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. If you hit the bell icon, you'll get notifications as soon as we post any new videos that could be of importance to you and your online business. So first of all, we have a new analytics report. Now, alongside our new product cost price field, we have launched a new analytics report for product cost prices. So this analytics report allows you to generate reports on your best selling products, worst selling products, most wished for products, and most profitable and least profitable products. So this is going to help you kind of like determine products if you need to get more in stock or you need to discontinue certain products, and it allows you to plan a little bit better. And you can actually view the guide on this new analytics report with the link down in the description below. Now, our next update is a content display network upgrade. So for those that don't know what a content display network is, it is basically servers that are geographically spread out, which reduces the distance between the server and the actual user trying to access your online shop. Now, the CDN at EKM, the one that we use to serve images and other content, has actually been upgraded for product and category images. So this means that images on your shop's product listings and categories will load much faster. Now, this improvement not only makes the shopping experience for your customers better, but it also helps your SEO factors with Google. So Google has indicated that site speed and page speed is one of the signals used by its algorithm to determine page rankings. So you can read more about how SEO friendly EKM is with the link that I've left down in the description for you. And our last update during December is EU VAT changes. Now, EKM shop owners who have their shop details located in the United Kingdom will automatically be updated on the 31st of December 2020 so that no VAT is charged to EU countries. So EKM shop owners will be presented with a model on their shop dashboard where they can choose to opt out of this update. However, if they choose to opt out of the update, they need to be sure to liaise with their accountant for further advice. And that's everything for December's platform update review. As always, we will have more features coming to the EKM platform this month, so make sure you are following us across our social media platforms so that you're the first to hear about them. Now, you can also view the previous month's updates by visiting the link in the description down below. Again, I've been Tom from EKM. Thank you very much for watching.